Now after you have annotated your schematic, now it's time to add values to each of your component. So in order to add value, let's say I want to change the value of BT101, that is the battery cell. Click on it and this will be selected. Right click on it and hit properties, and in the properties you can see over here that this is under the reference designator. There is a value field. Just change this value field to 3 volt, as I am using a 3 volt cell, and hit OK. Now you see over here on the schematic under reference designator there is a value which we have just changed in the value field of our this battery cell symbol. So similarly, let's change the value of this resistor. Select this resistor and hit E, and as I am going to choose 1 kilo ohm resistor for my design, so let's add in the value 1 kilo ohm and hit OK. Now you can see that my value field on the schematic is now changed. Similarly, I want to change the value field of this diode. Simply select the diode, hit E, and in the value field let's say I am going to use green LED, and I am going to change the value to green and hit OK. So I have added values to the each of my symbols. The best thing is you can also add like if you see in the properties, in the value you can also add the part number. You can also attach the footprints of this. You can also attach data sheet, and if you want to add more fields, just click on this add field and a new field can be added with the symbols. So it's all your choice what things you want to add in the properties of each of the symbol. So just hit OK. Now I have added values 3 volt for the battery cell, 1 kilo ohm for resistor, and a green LED in my schematic. So make sure to save your work. You can see on the left top that there is a asterisk before your project name, which means that you have not saved your work. So make sure to hit Ctrl S or click this save changes button to save your work. You can see now that my asterisk is now gone.